Hi there. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find someone in Roblox without their username. Normally, there isn't an official way to do this, but it might happen that you play with someone and you forget to add them as a friend, and then you just simply cannot find them, or you might have deleted a friend and you don't really remember their username and you want to add them again. The first method that you can try is try to find them by using the browser's history. Click Ctrl H to open it up, look through all the games that you have played before, and maybe you can try to find them that way. Also, if you have visited their profile, you can also find it here. So click on the profile and you should be able to send them a friend request. As I mentioned earlier, there isn't really an official way to find the users that you have played with before, but as I said, try using the browser's history to find them. But if that doesn't work and you are still unable to find the user that you want to find, you can try the next method, which is open up the game and look into the servers to see if they are still there. I'm afraid these are the only two methods that you can try to find someone without their username. As I said, there isn't an official way to do that, so try both methods and hopefully it's gonna work.